In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a new primary account on the Booking.com Extranet. This is a simple process that makes it easier for the right people to manage your property listings and keep everything running smoothly. All right, let's get started step by step. First, open your web browser and head to admin.booking.com. Once you're there, log in using your current primary account details. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password to avoid any login issues. If you ever find yourself struggling to remember your details, consider using a password manager to keep track of your credentials securely. After signing in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and locate the user account icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you need to select Primary Accounts. This selection will take you to the page where you can view and manage all user accounts connected to your property. Once you're on the management page, look for the section titled Create and Manage Users. Click on Manage Primary Accounts. This area is designed with a clean and organized layout to help you conveniently view existing users and add new ones without confusion. To proceed with adding a new primary account, click on Add a Primary Account. A form will appear, and here's where you'll need to fill out the necessary details: the name and email address of the person you want to assign as the new primary account holder. Double check to ensure all details are accurate because this individual will have significant access, including the ability to update property information and availability. Once you've carefully entered their details, it's time to assign their role and permissions. This is a crucial step as it determines what actions they can perform within the system. Therefore, take a moment to match the access level with their responsibilities adequately. Whether they'll be managing bookings, updating pricing, or handling guest communications, you want to ensure they have the appropriate level of access. After assigning the necessary roles and permissions, click on Send Invitation. An email will automatically be sent to the person you added, containing all the instructions they need to complete their setup on the Extranet. Remember to give them a heads up to check their inbox. Sometimes these important emails can slip into the junk or spam folder, so it's worth giving a gentle reminder to activate their account right away. And that's it. You've successfully added a new primary account on the Booking.com Extranet. This straightforward task helps streamline property management and ensures smoother collaboration with your team. It also sets the foundation for effective communication and efficient operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step Booking.com tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.